Here, and today we're celebrating a birthday for my dog Gage. I call him Stinky. You all should know him. He is 7. Oh, he choked. He choked. Here's my brother.
Hey!
He's also recording a video. But here is my poopy. Hey, he sniffed it. Can I have a kiss? No, I want a kiss. Thank you.
Hey, Gage, that was so cute that looked at it.
Thank you.
What's up, buddy?
Look at that cute dog.
Just leave his dog alone. He's just chilling.
Comment down in the comments if this is the cutest dog you ever saw.
Yeah. Probably not. Because a lot of the viewers that might have dogs.
I have 5 subscribers.
Nice.
Oh, look at him.
Scamps watches.
Ooh. Ooh. This dog is mad. He mad at me because I took his ball. It's okay.
Yesterday I was kicking the stick from him and he was growling. It was so funny.
It's okay. It's okay. And we're going to stop it there. See y'all next time. Look at my hands.
Yeah. Put that in the comments. Hashtag happy birthday.
Yeah.
Ah.
What he said.
Yeah.
Down in the comments, happy birthday. See y'all next time. Bye.